In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an invoice template in QuickBooks. If you want your invoices to look professional and perfectly match your brand, this quick setup will make a big difference and save you time on every bill you send. Start by heading to the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. Click the gear icon to open your settings. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the tools for managing how things look and work behind the scenes. From this menu, look for the section labeled Your Company and select Custom Form Styles. This is the home for all your form templates, including invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. If you've never created a template before, don't worry. This is a clean, guided editor. Next, in the top right corner of the Custom Form Styles page, click New Style, then choose Invoice. That opens the Invoice Designer with three main tabs across the top: Design, Content, and Email. You'll use these to tailor the look, the details that appear on the page, and the message that goes out with your invoice. There's a live preview on the right, so you can see your changes as you make them. Start in the Design tab. Here you can adjust the overall look and feel, things like the template style, colors, fonts, and logo placement. Pick a color that matches your brand and make sure your fonts are easy to read. If you add a logo, use a high-quality image and keep plenty of white space so the invoice stays clean and professional. Move over to the Content tab to control what information shows up. You can customize the header, the invoice and billing details, the line item table, and the footer. Turn fields on or off, edit labels for clarity, and arrange columns like quantity, rate, and amount in the order that makes sense for your business. In the footer, consider adding payment instructions, a short thank you note, or any required tax or business information. Keep everything concise and customer-friendly. Finally, open the Email tab. This sets the subject line and message your customer receives when you send an invoice. Use a clear subject, include your business name, and write a short, polite message that explains what the invoice is for and how to pay. Keep the tone consistent with your brand. When you're happy with everything, click Done at the bottom right to save your template. Your new invoice style is now ready to use whenever you create an invoice in QuickBooks.